Hello everyone. Welcome to our live stream today. Thank you for joining us today. Right now we are in Lyon in France for an exhibition. We're excited to show you our latest 3D printing technology and products. So what you see right now is our latest 3D printer MX. The specialty of this machine is that it has 6 tool heads. This is the information card of MX. So with 6 tool heads, we can change colors or materials fast. The building volume is 220. Our nozzles are made of hardened steel. It's printing with PLA right now. We don't have the final price yet. Please follow us on Kickstarter. Yeah, just now the nozzle has been changed. Yeah, it's heated by induction. The nozzle can be replaced. And wait a second, we're gonna move on to MX Pro very soon. You can scan the QR code here to follow us on Kickstarter. In 1 month, we're gonna commercialize these 2 machines, so we know the price by that time. But it's gonna be less expensive than what you imagine. Let's go. So what you're seeing now is MX Pro. And as you can see that this machine is completely enclosed. And this machine has 8 tool heads. Now we are showing the whole view of this machine. Yes, you can execute clipper. Yeah, it supports fluid and Arca as well. Our machine supports Wi-Fi, cloud transfer, and local SD card storage, but it doesn't support wired network. This is our prototype, and the code for nozzle wiping process will definitely be improved and optimized in the future. We've noticed your suggestions. Going forward, we'll continue to make improvements and optimizations based on our customers' needs and feedback, of course. Chamber can reach a temperature of 110 degrees. I was saying the plate and the chamber is 65. Can be used to print carbon materials. And the nozzle is made from hardened steel. You see is the card of our MX Pro. We have a built-in camera inside, and you can use that to monitor the printing process remotely. As the glass door features a soft close mechanism. It's just for this prototype, we don't yet have this function yet. But for the official version, we're gonna have this one. For now, we don't support wired network, but we've noted your suggestion. Yes, we support SSH. And what you see right now is printed by our machine, MX Pro. Don't forget to follow us on Kickstarter. The machine will be on in a month. Setting fire.